Farmer John's Tractor. Farmer John's Tractor by Sally Sutton. Illustrated by Robyn Belton. Farmer John's tractor lies locked up in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. That winter the rain comes, it rains and rains. It fills up the river and blocks up the drains. The riverbanks break, it's a flood. Water swirls, it rushes and gushes, it spurts and it twirls. From down by the river, there comes a great shout. Help! Our car's stranded! We can't get it out! But Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. Far down from the road, a jeep's coming near. It speeds through the water. The girls give a cheer. But how could they guess what these deep waters hide? A rock! With a splash, the jeep rolls on its side. Along comes a tow truck, as strong as can be. Hold on, calls the driver. I'll soon set you free. But look how the wheels spin around in the muck. It sinks ever deeper. This tow truck is stuck. The girls clamber onto the roof of their car. The water's still rising. How frightened they are. But Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. A fire engine's coming. It's noisy and fast. Its siren is wailing. Its horn gives a blast. But it slams to a halt at the edge of the flood. The rain's caused a slide. There are rocks in the mud. The fire engine's useless. It has to reverse. The crew's looking worried. The flood's getting worse. Still Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. The girls start to shake and to quake and to sob. Surely there's someone who's up to the job. What's this? Farmer John's by the shed with a key. He unlocks the padlock. The tractor is free. It grunts, then it sputters and starts with a roar, and Farmer John's tractor chugs right out the door. The girls see him coming, but how can they trust this clanking old tractor all covered in rust? At last, Farmer John pulls up right by their side. Hop on, squeeze together, let's go for a ride. Mom and Dad cheer, and the girls shout, hooray! Farmer John's tractor has just saved the day. They're safe and they're happy and free from all harm, so Farmer John's tractor chugs back to the farm. Never again to be locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red. The end.